Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 13.2 question number 1. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. So there is a solid that is in the shape of cone and that cone is standing on the hemisphere. This is a cone and this cone is standing on the hemisphere. Hemisphere is nothing but half of the sphere. If you take a ball, if you cut it into two halves, it will be a hemisphere. So this is a hemisphere, this is a cone with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter. So the radius for both the figures is 1. So this is a radius for the hemisphere as well as for the cone. So they have given us very clearly radius equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to its radius. That means this height of the cone, that is also equal to radius. So h is equal to r because r is given as 1. So h is also 1 centimeter. This is your h, this is your radius. Now the next line, find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. In terms of pi means we should not substitute any value for pi. We have to keep the pi as it is. That's what we are going to do now. So our question is volume of the solid. Volume of the solid is equal to, so what are all the figures are here? Cone and hemisphere. So we have to add both the diagrams. So volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Both we have to add to find the total volume. So we have to write the formula now. Volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r squared h plus for hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is your formula. Now for both the diagram radius is 1, so we can take the common term outside, then we can do the calculation. Now here also pi, here also we have pi, here also denominator 3, here also denominator 3. So we can take pi by 3 outside. Here we have r squared, here we have r cube. So r squared is common, we can take it out. Now the remaining terms will be, here we have only h because pi r squared by 3 we have taken out, remaining is h. Write the h here. Take this plus sign. Here we have taken this 3 and pi, r squared we have taken. So the remaining 2 and one more r will be there. That r you have to take down. Now pi by 3, r value, radius is 1 is given. So 1 square and height is also given as 1. So 1 plus 2 into radius value 1. Now which is equal to pi by 3 into multiple by 1 will give you the same number. You no need to write again. Multiple by 1 plus 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we are getting 3 here. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. The remaining value is pi. So this is a volume for the given solid. Pi is the volume for the given solid. We have to write the unit in the cubic value because we are finding the volume. Volume value always will be in cubes. So here question is centimeter. So you have to write the centimeter cube as your answer. We'll move on to the second problem now. Second problem. Our question is, Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using aluminum sheet. So he is making a cylinder and attaching two cones at the ends of the cylinder. That means this is one end, this is another end. They have attached a cone here. Like this he is making a model for his project. So cylinder attached with two cones, like this it will be. Now the diameter of the model is 3. So the diameter means this line. For cylinder also diameter is 3. For cone also diameter is 3. So d is equal to 3 centimeter given. So the diameter is 3 means radius will be 3 by 2 centimeter we can say. So this is a radius for the cone as well as for the cylinder. Now the next line of the question, and the length is 12 centimeter. The model length, total length of the model is 12 centimeter. And the next line, if each cone has height of 2 centimeter. Now each cone will be at the height of 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter and here also the height of the cone is 2 centimeter. Now the next line of the question, find the volume of the air contained in this model they are asking. So we need to find, assuming that outer and inner dimension of the mode is nearly the same. So you no need to find how much thickness it will be, nothing is needed. We need to find out what is the volume of the whole model. So we have to find the volume of the two cones plus volume of the cylinder, because volume means the capacity which is contained inside. So air containing inside they are asking, so definitely we should take the formula for volume only. So whenever we are getting a two diagram, first you try to write what are all the units given to you. So here we are going to take cylinder and cone. Now for both, radius is given as 3/2. So for cylinder formula also we should use 3/2. For cone formula also we have to use 3/2 for the radius. Now when we are coming to height, height is equal to cylinder height. If you want to find only this part, height of the cylinder is only this part. So the model total length is 12. From this 12 we have to subtract this 2 as well as this 2 also we have to subtract, because the remaining only the cylinder length. So from 12 we have to subtract 4. Why we are subtracting 4 means this side 2 centimeter, this side 2 centimeter, totally 4 centimeter we have to subtract to get the cylinder length. So which is equal to 8 centimeter. Now here the height of the cone is already mentioned in the question, that is 2 centimeter. Everything is given in centimeter only. Now we have written clearly. Now let's start the problem. Our question is volume of the air contained. So volume of the solid we can write, which is equal to volume of the cylinder plus volume of the two cones, because we have two cones. So volume of two cones we can write it. Now let's take the formula for cylinder, pi r squared h plus two cones. So 2 into 1/3 pi r squared h. Now after writing this, take the common terms outside. So here pi, here also pi, common. Radius here also same radius, here also same radius. So we can take the r squared also outside. H we cannot take it outside, because for cylinder height is different, cone height is different. So we cannot take it out. To differentiate you can take it. Cylinder height we can take it as h dash. So here the cylinder formula you can write the h dash also, or h1 also you can take it. Now remaining terms, let us write it here. Remaining is h dash plus this 2 will be staying, this 3 also. So 2/3 pi r squared we have taken out, and h will be 2 for the cone. So multiple by 2 we have to take, which is equal to pi value 22/7 multiple by r squared, r value 3/2 into 3/2, and h dash is 8 for the cylinder, plus 2 2s are 4, 4/3. Now just a simplification only. Now 2 1s are 2 11s are, so the remaining is 11 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 2 we are getting here. This is multiple by, children, when we are getting like this we can take it as a mix. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 will be 28/3 we can write it, because here the term is 1. If you are multiplying also you will be getting the same answer. So 8 3s are 24 plus 1 4s are 4 by 1 3s are 3 we can write it. Now here the remaining terms, 11 into 9 by 7 into 2 multiple by 28/3 we are getting. 7 and 28 will come under 7 table. 7 1s are, 7 4s are 3 table. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Again 2 and 4 will come under 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the remaining values 11 multiple by 3 and multiple by 2 we are getting. So since it is a volume we have to write it centimeter cube. So 11 3s are 33, 33 2s are 66. 66 centimeter cube is a volume of the air contained inside the model, which is made by the Rachel. That is your correct answer for the given problem. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe our channel for more videos.